Here are 5 news updates from the world of the crypto industry. First news. What happened in the cryptocurrency market over the week? Over the past week, coins in the top 10 by market capitalization have shown mixed but predominantly negative trends. Bitcoin attempted to strengthen above $70,000 at the start of the week but quickly retreated. On Tuesday morning, its price sharply dropped to $67,600 amid negative inflows into ETFs. Liquidations in the crypto market exceeded $100 million. Throughout the week, Bitcoin remained weak, dipping towards $65,000 before the weekend. Currently, it trades around $66,500, down 4.8% for the week. Ethereum's native coin decreased slightly less than BTC, by 3%. It is now trading around $3,590. Toncoin emerged as the week's growth leader, remaining a top gainer among the top 10 cryptocurrencies for the third week. It is currently priced at $7.80, up 13% for the week. The biggest loser was BNB, which fell 10%, trading at $607. Crypto exchange news. The cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin announced the pre-sale of tokens for the Hamster Combat project. The exact listing date remains unknown. OKX lost over $633 million due to security threat rumors, which suggested serious platform configuration issues. Regulation news. In Uzbekistan, players of the popular tap game Hamster Combat face real prison terms. A court in Tashkent sentenced a student to 10 days in jail for illegally selling Notcoin tokens. Terraform Labs and Duquan reached a settlement with the SEC, agreeing to pay a $4.47 billion fine. Following the settlement, Terraform Labs announced its closure, with its CEO urging the community to take over the Terra ecosystem. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler outlined approximate approval timelines for Ethereum ETF S1 applications. Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas predicts spot Ethereum ETFs may start trading next month. The Gemini exchange will pay $50 million to settle fraud charges related to misleading investors about Gemini Earn. Project news. The Arbitrum Foundation allocated 225 million Arbitrum tokens worth about $215 million to develop gaming projects within its ecosystem. Developers of the decentralized social app Friend.tech announced the launch of their own blockchain, FriendChain, with Friend as its native token. Toncoin partnered with the world's largest online travel service, Travala. ZK Sync developers announced an airdrop, distributing 17.5% of the total ZK token issuance to the community. Solana Labs launched a blockchain platform for global brands to interact with customers. Other news in the crypto market. The latest Apple presentation sparked discussions in the crypto community about the company's potential involvement in the crypto industry. Miner Bitfarms adopted a shareholder protection plan amid a takeover bid from its main competitor, Riot Platforms. In response, Riot acquired an additional 6 million Bitfarms shares on the open market, increasing its stake to 13.1%. TON surpassed Ethereum in the number of active addresses. The non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet MetaMask launched a collective Ethereum staking feature, lowering the entry threshold for staking. Second news. Investors are selling off Ethereum. In recent days, Ethereum's price fell below $3,500, triggering bearish sentiments among holders. Many have transferred their ETH to exchanges to minimize losses. The price drop led many investors to sell their assets to cut growing losses. Analyzing on-chain metrics, profit-taking surged to a 3-month high. The most concerning aspect is sales from long-term investors, who typically hold assets for over a year, as indicated by the spike in the age consumed metric. ETH is currently trading at $3,587, facing resistance at the 50% Fibonacci level, with major support around $3,400, just above the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which has been tested repeatedly. Third news. Speculators bet $200,000 on the launch of a Solana spot ETF. Speculations about a potential Solana ETF are gaining traction, with over $200,000 in bets registered on the decentralized prediction platform Polymarket. Last week, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler hinted that Ethereum spot ETFs could launch by the end of the summer, sparking speculation about a Solana ETF. Despite the optimism, Polymarket bets on the approval of a Solana ETF remain at 7%. The discussion occurs amid a shifting regulatory environment and growing bipartisan support for cryptocurrencies. For instance, Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump positions himself as a crypto supporter, criticizing Democrats' regulatory efforts. Ryan Selkes, CEO of Messari, highlighted Trump's support but noted the lack of specific policy details. The recent passage of the FIT21 Financial Innovation and Technology Act by the House of Representatives, which received significant Democratic support, reflects a potential political shift. However, with Ethereum ETF still awaiting final approval, the crypto community remains cautious, focusing on navigating the regulatory environment to ensure new policy support rather than hinder innovation. Fourth news. Former world boxing champion Ryan Garcia to release meme tokens. Flamboyant former world boxing champion Ryan Garcia plans to release meme tokens dedicated to himself. "When I create this meme coin, it will change everything. I'm not joking," Garcia wrote. However, despite the tokens not yet being released, it's possible to make money on them. Polymarket is accepting bets on whether the boxer will release the tokens by June 21, with the probability at just 26%. A successful bet on the athlete's cryptocurrency appearing on any blockchain by next Friday will yield a 104% profit. Most in the crypto community doubt Garcia's seriousness due to his frequent social media spam on X. Fifth news. USDT stablecoins increase demand for the US dollar. Paulo Ardoino tweeted, calling USDT an important financial tool for residents of developing countries with unstable economies and lack of banking services. USDT has become a stable alternative to the dollar, helping people and businesses preserve purchasing power amid rampant inflation and local currency devaluation. Additionally, stablecoins can be used without traditional financial infrastructure, which often excludes the unbanked, Ardoino argued. The use of USDT impacts the entire world, the businessman asserted. As Ardoino noted, Tether's presence in the market as a major buyer of U.S. Treasury bills highlights the growing influence of the company. This strengthens the connection between digital assets and traditional finance, supporting demand for U.S. Treasury bonds. Dollar-pegged stablecoins create demand for U.S. government debt. Over 300 million people worldwide use USDT as a digital dollar, and for poor countries, it's like a lifeline. By stabilizing the dollar in developing markets with USDT, Tether ranks among the top 3 global buyers of short-term U.S. Treasury bills, Ardoino wrote on X.